Hello guys, this is Mr. Derry checking in with you, trying to give you an online class for meeting 13 for reading strategies. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I understand that all of you guys are experiencing different levels of flooding that's happening in the first week of our 2020 or 2020 year. It's okay, we can still do this. We can still have commitment to do our classes and to have a level of diligence to do our class. So, by the way, I would like to try to explain to you guys about what it means by summarizing, since our topic for week 13 is summarizing. So basically, summarizing or summary is a short retelling or short recount or short writing of a longer passage which contains author's most important ideas. So you in summarizing, you do not have the whole text with you. You usually only pick a different point of view that is important for the text, okay? And it's not the whole text. It's not like you write the whole thing in your book, you write the whole thing in your exercise. It's basically picking out important points of a text, all right? And it usually contains of first main idea. It encapsulates or it reflects the whole information that is the text trying to show you or trying to describe to you. And then, of course, after main idea, there's supporting ideas. All right? And how to summarize a text is usually you would preview and read the text closely. Preview here can mean skimming. If you still remember skimming, what skimming is basically you quickly read the text from the first sentence to the end of the sentence or the end of the paragraph. You read usually the first sentence and the last sentence of the paragraph, and then after that you try to come up with an outline or a skeleton of how the text is constructed. All right, it can be in bullet points, like for example, the text is about diabetes. Maybe the first paragraph is about the description of diabetes, like that's the main idea of the diabetes, and then the second paragraph's main idea is perhaps the causes of diabetes, and then the third paragraph, the main ideas for the third paragraph could be how to prevent diabetes. So the text can be complex, but the main idea is remaining that particular. The main idea remains that particular topic that you get from the paragraph. After that, from coming up with the outline, you can end your activity by writing a short summary based on the outline. So basically, the summary that you write is not necessarily rewriting the text. It is more about rewriting the text only from your point of view and from the very simplistic version of the text. All right? Hope it makes sense. Okay? In the fourth to the fifth slide, in the fourth and then fifth slideshow, you can see the sample of how to summarize a text. And then in the fifth slideshow, you are supposed to try to summarize the paragraph. Okay, it's going to be a quick exercise for you. But before you do the fifth slideshow, you do the fourth one first. Okay, so the one on the left, the one on the far left would be the text. The one in the middle would be the outline of the text. The outline of the text is comprised of main idea and supporting ideas, and then the summary is in the far right of the slide. Excuse me. Okay, and then You will read by yourself, okay? And then in the fifth slideshow, that is your exercise. And then the sixth slideshow is optional, but you should do the fifth slideshow, the fifth slides, okay? And you should upload the results of the fifth slides in the comment section of your Google Classroom in the designated activity. All right, I'll see you guys in the air. I hope that the instruction is clear enough. I'll see you soon and be safe. Bye-bye.